And to Hurricane Idalia, people living along Florida's Gulf Coast are making those last-minute preps this morning as the powerful storm is expected to make landfall sometime tomorrow.
Florida Governor Ron DeSantis has declared a widespread state of emergency as Idalia gathers strength. It could bring a potentially deadly surge to low-lying areas. Now, joining us live in Tampa, CBS News correspondent Christian Benavides. Christian, I know you haven't gotten much sleep, but I'd imagine the people in Florida, they're sleepless as well. Initially, set the scene for us.
Keith and Brooke, good morning. That's absolutely right. All of us just trying to see where is this hurricane, now a Category 1, set to make landfall. We saw what happened last year with Hurricane Ian making that last-minute switch. So officials have told everyone along Florida's west coast to be on alert and be prepared. Obviously, the major concern is the potential for storm surge. The National Weather Service predicting up to 12 feet in some parts of Florida's Gulf Coast. And again, this is just a Category 1 for now, but the hurricane is still a day away from making landfall, expected to continue to intensify. What's been happening here is, I'll just walk you through what we've been seeing, in the past 24 hours. Yesterday, we were reporting out on Clearwater Beach, which is a barrier island, closer to the ocean. And just around as we were wrapping up our day, they said, well, look, this is an evacuation zone and people need to be out of here by 7 o'clock, mandatory evacuation. So we got out of there at 7 o'clock last night. Now we're in downtown Tampa by the Bay Area, and we have to be out of here by noon. We're planning to be out of here by noon because all the businesses are shut down. The hotel we're staying at is going to close around 11 a.m. They're kicking everyone out, and it's because of the concern of what could happen to these low-lying areas. Look, Governor Ron DeSantis has said it. We have linemen ready to bring the power back when the strong winds knock it out, but you can't bring life back after the storm surge. So that's really the big thing here. What could potentially happen as people prepare for the storm surge? Are they heeding those warnings? That's the X factor here.
Hopefully they will. We know people in Florida are used to it, but you just never can tell with Mother Nature. Christian, we appreciate it. Thank you so much.